Hello, my friends. Okay, let's do some soldering today. Firstly, let's just get some solder onto the tip here. Use my glasses. Uh, Soldering the wire ends is just to make it easier to solder them together quicker. That's done. Okay, now we're going to put some heat shrink onto this. Always just make sure that where you soldered is cold before you put heat shrink on. This is not the one that I've soldered now. This one I've soldered prior to this. Also, there's already a piece of heat shrink on there. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, now let's get some heat shrink for the individual cores. With heat shrink, always try and use the size heat shrink that fits almost right over the wire you want to insulate. It just makes it shrink that much better. Cables that you also pre-soldered. Just get the heat shrink on this puppy. And then I've got one of these little McGifters just to hold the wires for me. Quite a game changer, this thing. And they're quite cheap. You can buy them at most electronic stores around. Let's just get this lined up against each other. Almost. There we go. Okay. Always try and keep your heat on something as short as possible, or else it starts interfering with the insulation on the wire itself. Okay, that one's done. Let's get the heat shrink over. Okay, looks fun. While we're putting these extra pieces on, this is for the security lights that will go onto the camera nest. We're putting it to back. And the cables that come on the lights is just not long enough. And we're going almost overboard on lighting with this, the camera nest. We're putting on 2, 4, 6, 7 lights. Each one fell off. It would be quicker to cut a new one than to look for the one that fell. Looking here in the background, we've got a happy little birdie on the perch, which is a project I must actually complete as well. I've made a new perch. just a dab of solder. Just with it being pre-soldered, it actually goes quite quick. No, something there we go. There we go. There you are. Solder off then. Oh, that's actually almost corrected itself. Where's the longest pliers? See if this one push that forward down a little bit. There we go. You see now, yeah, you can see on this insulation, yeah, just got more heat than what I would have liked it to get. So it started melting the insulation a bit. Luckily that will be covered by the heat shrink. And now let's just get the heat shrink over the whole lot and shrink that down, and then this joint is done. Got three more of these to do. The two bigger lots that comes above the dome camera I've done last night. The shanking is a lot there to try and do it. Okay. As we do the rest, I need to show you all that. Okay guys, catch you in the next one.